Buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. I don't know when you're watching this video because I don't know your life, but welcome to your instructions for Thursday, February 4th. So we have a calentamiento, our warm-up, and it is to match. The problem with the solutions, so you have 3 shots, whatever your highest attempt is will be your grade. Here are your options. Now you have more answers than you have questions. So read them carefully and choose what answer is going to be your solution to your problem. After that, we are going to do an introductions worksheet. So you are going to need your vocab list for chapter 1. And we are practicing again with our greeting people, asking how they're doing, and saying goodbye. So if you want your virtual version of that, it is right here. You can open that up, or you can use your blue vocab sheet in your packet. So this is what your introductions worksheet looks like. You're going to open it up. Now you're going to click on edit assignment so that it'll make a copy for you and you can type right on it. So the first part says, for each question or expression, write the appropriate answer from each box in the blank. So you have questions or expressions here. How would you respond to them? So you're going to take from up here and you're going to post in here. How would you respond? So how would you respond to ¿Cómo te llamas? How would you respond to ¿Qué pasa? And so on and so forth. You can copy and paste them directly in if you would like, or you can retype them. Honestly, it's easier to just copy and paste because some of them, spelling might be a little bit difficult. So work smart, not hard, You're going to scroll down. Part 2, it says, complete this conversation by writing one word in each blank. Keep your words red or another color so that when I'm going through this and grading it, I can see that you typed something. So for each blank you have, you need to look at your vocab list and figure out what word is missing. So for example, you're having a conversation here between Ana and Señor González and Antonio. So you have, buenos días, Señor González. ¿Cómo? Blank, blank. And he says, blank bien, gracias. Y tú, blank, blank, right? So figure out what words go there and fill those blanks in. Your very last part on this worksheet is saludos, hellos, and despedidas, goodbyes. So you're going to complete each one of these phrases by filling in the blanks with the missing words. So what goes before pasa, blank luego, blank gusto, blank estás, blank días, and nos blank. What goes in those blanks, fill them in. Keep them red or another color, doesn't matter to me, but just so long as I can tell you to type something in. Then what you're going to do is you are going to categorize those in these 2 sections. So which ones are saludos, hellos, which ones are despedidas, goodbyes. So again, you can copy and paste them because I would copy and paste just because you got some accents here and some upside down question marks. So just make it easier on yourself. So which ones are hellos, which ones are goodbyes? Categorize those 6 sentences. And you're going to turn that in when you're done. After that, we are going to go through our speaking quiz study guide. So you are going to have a speaking quiz on Tuesday, February 9th. And this is what you have to know how to say, okay? For your speaking quiz, you have to know how to say some form of hello. You need to know how to ask me, how are you? You have to be able to answer, how are you? You have to be able to ask, what is your name? You have to be able to answer, what is your name? You have to be able to tell me it's nice to meet me. And you have to be able to give me a goodbye. So this quiz will be between you and I via Zoom breakout rooms on Tuesday, February 9th. So I'm giving you this now so that you can practice it. So what you are going to do is you are going to make a Flipgrid practicing exactly that. So when you click into it, you're going to sign in and you are going to make a script of you giving a greeting, asking how are you, how you're doing, asking what your name is, saying my name is, saying it's nice to meet me, and goodbye. After that, you have the option to study for this test, but it is optional. And that's all you're doing today.